Good morning! Welcome to another vlog of Jana and Alonzo. So, yes, puyat is real. Nagka-fever kasi si Zoe kagabi, but the bazaar is tuloy pa rin. Syempre, kami ni Crystal, ayan, naka-assign sa bazaar. Kaya no choice kami. Ako ladder. Kasi wala eh. Hindi pwede na hindi pumunta. But anyway, so galing namin eh. We said, ilisin na namin lahat para diretso na doon. No, we still forgot something here in the office. So, bumalik kami sa office this morning. Yeah, so saan po yung bazaar natin? Ang bazaar po natin ay nasa Eastwood Mall Atrium. So, August 16, 17. Siyempre, pag in-upload ko na to, tapos na ang bazaar. But yes, so we are gonna be doing bazaar for J&A. So, graduate na ako sa Kusina Bazaar. Nandiyan naman na si Riza para mag-bazaar para sa J&A. So, yeah, I'm so excited. Di pa ako nag-aayos. Wala pang makeup pa. But yeah, so we are just gonna look for the things we need to bring and then off we go. So, we're in the car now. We got everything that we need. We're ready. Lumputla ako. But yeah, I don't know if you remember with my previous vlog sa Mommy Mundo Fun Run, Milkshake Run. Yun po guys. Kaya binanggit ko dun sa huli na abang-abang kayo ng mga Mommy Mundo Bazaars. Kasi ito yun Ito na yun. We will be having multiple bazaars na po with Mommy Mundo. So, I'm so excited. Yes. So, today, yun nga, balik bazaar si J&A. Kala ko hanggang doon lang kami sa Fun Run. Kasi yung Fun Run parang, ano naman eh, hindi naman sa katuwaan. Parang ano siya, marketing lang yun. Kasi maga lang yun. But this one guys, back to mall bazaars. Sa mga nagpa-follow talaga kay Jana and Alonzo or sa amin ni Zoe, ayan. Naalala niyo yung mga scene na to, na bit-bit ko lahat. Pero this time, malaki na yung car. Dati maliit lang, no? Ngayon nag-improve na. Ano ba tawag doon?
Level up.
Yun, nag-level up. Good job, Crystal. Ayan, kasi wala, antok pa rin ako. So, yeah, nag-level up and malaki na yung sasakyan and mas magandang ating setup. So, abang-abang kayo kasi sobrang pinag-isipan ko talaga itong setup na to. Pati sila Crystal na amazed, right? Yung ganun sa box-boxin. Ay mo, nakita nyo rin sa Mommy Mundo Milkshake Run na vlog ko. Pero guys, eto na to dahil nasa mall, ang ganda ng setup. Kinikilig ako. But yeah guys, so I'll just drive, focus on my driving, grab something to eat, and just show you na pag nandun na kami. Okay? Okay, so we're here na. Yan. Talagang balik talaga. Balik bazaar na talaga to. Namimiss ko to. Nalalin niyo ba guys sa mga previous videos ko? Sa TikTok ata yun or sa FB na ako lang mag-isa dito na naghahakot. And now, I'm doing it again. I'm so happy. Haha! Excited ka na, Tal? Yeah. Let's go! Let's go, pasok. Kaya mo yan? Kaya ko to. Di yan. Ganito talaga. Pag sa mall, ganito. Okay, second batch na tayo. Sana second and last. Kasi medyo madami-dami pa to. Yun lang yung difference po sa kusina tsaka sa J&A. Sa kusina, onti lang yung gamit. Kayang isang hatak. Pero sa J&A, sa sobrang dami kong kaartihan rin sa booth design, mga 2 to 3 hataks to. No?
Yeah.
2 to 3. Sana dinanana pala natin to.
Kaya nga, hindi.
Okay, so let's do it again. Hey guys, so we're done setting up. So welcome to Momo Market by Mommy Mundo Bazaar. So first time namin sumali dito. So tara guys, itutour ko kayo sa booth namin. So tara. So guys, eto, I'm proud sa setup ko. Wala, tuwan-tuwa ko. Ito guys, so when you come in here, syempre ito yung ating signage. And then we have our adult terno. And then we have our mom tees, adult shirts. Ayan. So, ito po yung one of our best sellers. She is strong, brave, fierce, full of fire. Ganun talaga mga mommy. Super mom talaga. And then, ito po yung mga shirts namin. And then, I brought some of our kids' ternos as well. And then, ito guys, bagong, ano to? Bagong hobby ko. So, I make, stickers, UV stickers, plus I put it in the keychain. So, ito yung tsura niya. Yan. So, nakalagay, she is strong. Talagang, I really want to motivate and bigyan pansin ng mga nanay kasi talaga sila yung super strong talaga. And then, we also have our support squad tees to support autism, Down syndrome, and cerebral palsy. And soon, ADHD. Ginagawa ko na yung design. And then, ito yung mga famous terno po natin for kids. So, yeah, this is our booth. So, yan guys. So, pag in-upload ko to, tapos na yung bazaar. But yeah, so you could catch us, follow us po sa FB, sa IG, and sa TikTok for more updates para alam nyo po yung pwesto po namin. Ayan. Guys! First benta! Ayan. Guys! Nakabenta na kami. So, nakabana-mana na. I'm so happy. Guys, ito yung mga small wins as a business owner. Small business owner. Oh guys, diba? Ang cute. Binili ko ito doon. 150 lang or 100 pesos lang. Support rin. Ang cute eh. Kasi bagay siya dito. So, same color. See? So pretty. But anyway, guys, nakabenta na kami. So, time check, it's 12. Yeah, kasi 11:58. So, 12 noon. And nakabenta kami. Good job, Tal. Si Tal talagang galing niya. Well, may mga tumitingin naman sa booth namin and sabi babalik daw. So, let's see, no? That's waiting. So, let's go. More sales. So, mamaya ulit. po sa atin. We have our inclusion first, which is our squad here. We have autism, cerebral palsy, and Down syndrome. And we also have different contest, and it's okay to be different. So, yun yung lagi pinupuntahan ko. Thank you. Bye. See you guys in the next Papa Market. Guys, time check, it's 7:30 p.m. and it's kind of getting slow, but kanina sunod-sunod yung customers. Hindi ko lang na-film kasi syempre bawal. But we're getting there. Medyo na-sold out na si Slate na free size, plus size, and plus size. So, I have to bring more of this tomorrow. And then, ang dami rin nagpa-press sa akin dito. So, all good. Getting there. Pero, kulang pa. Pero, laban lang. But yeah, I'm so happy! Okay guys, nakalimutan ko i-film paano namin nagawa to, but it's close, 10 p.m. na. It's time to go home to Alonzo. So thank you sa lahat na pumunta today. We also have tomorrow again. So tutuloy-tuloy ko to tong vlog na to hanggang bukas para makita nyo po kung paano kami dito talaga sa bazaar. And hindi ko na film, pero okay lang yan. But yeah, good sales today, tomorrow ulit. And thank you po talaga sa lahat ng support today, lahat ng bumili. And what's nice about it, guys, I met so much people, so much super moms out there. And parang 3 o 4 na beses ata ako muntikan na umiyak dahil sa mga kwento nila. So this is what it really means. Ito talaga yung purpose ko na para maging aware yung mga tao sa mga kids with special needs. So, off we go home. Hey guys, it's day 2. Dito na po tayo sa last day of our bazaar here in Eastwood. So, hindi na kami ulit nakapag-video dahil may nakapila na at gusto na bumili ng damit namin, which is a good thing. So, ito na siya guys. Ayan na, may mga bumibili na. Tsaka kasama ngayon si Amore. So, yan guys. And may dala kami mga ibang stocks kasi naubos kahapon. So, yeah. Let's go! Day 2! Okay guys, I was not able to film the whole day because I forgot to bring my mic. And sobrang lakas ng music, so baka ma-copyright ako. But we're closing! Guys! Say hi! Amor! Busy! Ayan. So guys, today and yesterday was a great day. Met a lot of people. And yeah, J&A, the label is now closing. And hoping to see you guys every month, maybe. So, yeah. Thank you, guys. Ayan. Sa lahat na nag-support sa J&A The Label. You know, you purchased with a purpose here dahil talagang sobrang laking tulong to sa mga bata na may special needs. Kaya thank you so much. We're gonna pack up na, head off to the car. And siguro I'll film pa. Sige, film ko papuntang car para makita nyo kung paano kami mag-pack up totally dito. But grabe, dinumog kami dito. Ang dami nagpa-press ng shirts. So, I'm very happy. So, yan guys. We're gonna bring this all na sa car. Okay guys, it's closing time. Nag-enjoy ka tal?
Slide. Wow.
Oh, slide!
Guys, hello guys. Where na kami? Naliligaw na kami.
Dito.
Wait lang. Open ko lang. Bye. Hello guys! Kami ay pack up na. Saan ba tayo dadala? Diyan ba? Oh my God, oh. Pack up na ang team. Uwian na ang mga team building. Bye! Goodbye kasi. Goodbye! Ito pa pala tayo. Kaya sis?
Let's go, guys.
Kasya yan. Go, mom. 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 Galingan mo, mom. Saya yan, mom. Go, mom. Go, mom. Go, 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 mom.
Yung ulo mo rin. Mabayad na ako. Ako na.
Okay.
Puro sa'yo ah.
Puro sa'yo yan, mama. Galingan mo mag-drive. Good luck. Good luck sa mga kahoy at bakal.
Final destination. Guys, nakalimutan ko mag-end ng video. Yan, nagpalit na kami ng shirt. Ayan. So, we're having late dinner. Yeah, we're having late dinner dito sa Tapsi ni Vivian. Ayan. So, anyway guys, thank you for your support. See you guys in our next video. Bye!